Hello inflatable fans, hope you're well. Today I am trying out the cheapest Packraft on Amazon. It's by Klymit, it's called the LiteWater Dinghy. I've fancied giving this one a go for a while because it looks like, gotta say though, pack size, tiny. This weighs less than half a kilo. So in terms of that, it's pretty damn good. I mean, if I put this on my shoulder next to my head, give you an idea, granted my head's quite big, but yeah, you know, you've got the idea. It's actually quite small and lightweight. It does come in this dry bag and it doubles as an inflation sack, but today for convenience, I'm going to use a pump. Yeah. Weight capacity 350 pounds. Recommended uses class 1 or class 2. I think I'd only ever want to take this on flat. Let's just get it inflated and we'll give it a try, eh? There, inflated. Now, they do brag about it having tie-out points, which are these. 1, 2 there, another one there, and another one on the other side. And then there's a couple of them here. The fabric of this, it actually feels, you can hear that, can't you? It's not smooth or sheer. So like, this is the Gumatex twist, right? So it feels a little bit more like an airbed, to be honest with you, and considering Klymit are renowned for making quality air mats, I don't think that's much of a surprise really. So as I say, you've got these 2 valves. Now I know the observant of you will have noticed that. So yeah, what I've noticed is you get this kind of kinking. So yeah, it will kind of go flat. It's just a bit weird looking, isn't it? Anyway, there's only one thing to do now, isn't there? Get the damn thing in the water and give it a go. I've managed to get my paddle leash attached through one of these tie-out points. Brilliant. Right, we'll just have a quick look underneath. Now, obviously there's no skeg mount. Look at that, isn't that weird? So yeah, I just think it looks a bit weird. Yeah, I've never seen anything like it. How concave is that? Yeah. Anyway, the boys are coming over in a minute. They're going to film this outing on the water. I've no idea what this is going to be like. It's like a balloon. It's taking off like one as well. Come here, you. How do you do this one? There's only one way to find out.
Yes, I could show you. Yeah.
It's already crumpling up, isn't it?
Yeah. You got enough air in it?
I've inflated it to about 1 psi. I think I'm in. Oh, that seat thing feels really strange. Oh, it feels weird. Oh, it feels weird.
Is it right way around?
Take it this is not going to be your first choice for your Packraft now.
I probably wouldn't fall out of it, but it feels like I might. Let's just... Oh no, actually, that's pretty good. I'll tell you what, I'm going to start like, give it a rough idea for what speed I can get up to.
Well, you're doing 5 miles an hour now with wind. Yeah.
Right, let's just see. I'm going to paddle into Pike Corner. It's just said I've done 5 miles an hour. I think that's wrong.
That's it, come a bit closer.
I definitely feel like I'm on a lilo. Does it look like I am?
It looks like you are.
1.5. 2. I've hit 2. 2.1. It's definitely Ripley. I think I hit 2.1 on that little stretch.
With a 5 mile an hour wind behind you.
Let's try going back. It moves around a lot, as you can tell. But then again, so do all Packrafts. How far back can I actually go? You feel like you should have a better backrest with it, like that. Is that better? That looks like it's a bit better, is it? I don't know where the market is for this. I really don't.
Why, Lee?
I think if I wanted an inflatable chair to lounge out in, this would be good. But it's an expensive inflatable chair, but it's an inflatable chair that doubles as a bit of a boat. And maybe that's a good thing, I don't know. But it is weird, I haven't got as much water in it, mind you, I am using a long paddle, so I haven't got much water in here, so I have to say the inflatable thing that you sit on, it's not comfy.
I've got a pool bag if you want to sit on it.
Right, just a quick question, chaps. Has this performed better than you expected?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has?
Might buy one.
I thought you might have gone in by now.
Right, okay, yeah, and cards on the table. I did think, I thought I'd end up in. It does bunch up, which is a bit weird. And I inflated this to about 1 psi, and it can easily take that.
It looks like it's moulded to your body.
Looks like it's what?
Moulded to your
Moulded, yeah,
Almost like a life raft.
yeah.
body without the rest.
Would I want to do any distance in this? No. I can tell now, my back feels uncomfortable. This isn't so bad, but would I want to do distance in it? I wouldn't want to do what we've done today. We've done about 5 miles, I think, today. Yeah, so I kind of wouldn't want to be doing that. It's very slow, very cumbersome. Comfortable chair that doubles as a boat. That's about as much as I can really say about it.
You couldn't say it was streamlined, could you?
Couldn't say it was what?
Streamlined.
Streamlined, it's definitely not streamlined. If you've got any ideas about this, if you've got one, and you want to kind of let me know what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right, whether you think it's rubbish, let me know in the comments. Now this is going to be the interesting bit. Actually, I think it's going to handle it all right. It's all right. It's very buoyant actually, because I'm knelt pretty much on the edge there.
Oh hell!
And
Forgot about that.
Yeah, I'm still attached.
Schoolboy error.
Gotta say, yeah, that's the deformed bit I was talking about. But that was easier to get in and out of than I thought. All right, thank you very much for watching. Cheerio.